All right, good morning, guys, YouTube people, world, whoever. Still got the skid steer to figure out. But anyway, it's my little, I wouldn't say product review, but product unboxing. This is a grease gun, a Milwaukee grease gun, supposedly. Looks about right. New Wavo. So, open this thing up. I got a couple things for it. Okay. This thing, this is a swivel. So the hose can swivel freely, supposedly. It's a pressure deal where basically when you build too much pressure on these guns, it's kind of hard to get the hose off. And then I got this. So if you got pressure, and then you take the hose off, even if you have this, you take the hose off, a bunch of grease is still going to squirt out. So, so I opted for this stuff. It was a kit, 3-piece kit. I think if you buy it in a kit, it's a little cheaper. So, anyway, this is what we got. So, I'll open this up. I just got this on eBay from a dude, from a seller that was selling them, obviously. So, let me get it out of the box. Let me get those little pieces all hooked up. And, I think we'll go from there, I guess. Get your manual and your brochure to buy 300 plus items. So I believe this is I can't remember how long this hose is. I can't really remember what it said. Hose length 48 inches. So some of them are smaller apparently, and some are longer. But all right, guys, let me get this out, go from there, and I'll see you in a second. All right, well, I got it all together. Wasn't that difficult, but I guess we can start from here. You take the piece off here, the stock one that comes on the grease gun. You take that off, you stick this one on. It does come with the rebuild kit apparently, which is all those little prongs right there. So you do that, and then so taking it off is kind of a pain in the butt. Putting this on is kind of a pain in the butt too, because you have to put a wrench here, and when you spin this, it like wants to bind on a wrench. If my fingers were a wrench as you're tightening this, so you kind of have to, go over here go on this side with the wrench, and spin this that way. So you have to be over here, wrench where my fingers are, wrench right here, spinning it this way, and move the wrench. Nothing really crazy, but anyway. So yeah, then we got the swivel hose piece on there, which is pretty straightforward. Basically, when you take the hose, which is this piece here, so not this, So you take this off here, you take that, comes off of here, which I believe is a 17 millimeter. This is a 17 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 13 millimeter. So 9/16, ½ inch, and 11/16 if you want to go standard. Sorry, I got a little heartburn, I think from dinner last night. But so yeah, 11/16 or 17, 9/16 or 14 millimeter, 11/16 or 17 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 9/16. Yeah, 14 millimeter, 9/16, 14 millimeter, 9/16, 13 millimeter, ½ inch. So I think they maybe did that on purpose. But yeah, so there's a set screw in here that goes in here, 5 millimeter Allen wrench. You take that set screw out, you put this piece in there, and then you put this on there, and then this is like the return. So fluid goes out, all the way out, builds pressure, and then there's a relief valve in here, boop, and it sends the fluid back in here. So yeah, pretty straightforward. I believe this is how many pumps you get. So one pump, I'm not going to do a bunch, but you can get up to 50 pumps. This thing does have a light, so it does have, it says on. Oh, I think that's just constant. 2-speed. And yeah, so I mean, it worked out pretty good. This one I could not get a grease to go into it, and now we got grease going into it because of this whole apparatus. But yeah, put some grease in here. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this. Just gotta put it away, clean it up, put it away, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, I think. I didn't look up any instructions or anything. I don't even know if there are instructions. So I'm pretty sure you can go on this website and get instructions. So this is the pressure thing, LNL 81300-M. That's the pressure piece. This is the swivel, inline grease hose swivel, LNL 231-C. You gotta make sure you get the right ones. This is coarse thread, 7/16 by 20. For the Milwaukee, they have different ones. They got kits for Ryobi, Rigid, I think, Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, and some other stuff. But this is the lock and lube coupler. This is the little attachment piece. These are the spare parts. As I throw it on the ground. So these are spare parts. This is the rebuild kit for it. This is the piece that came off the gun, off the hose. And the O-rings and that plug that's in there. So this is the coupler, GC 81011. So I guess the cool thing is it's rated to 10,000 PSI max. For that piece, this is made in South Africa. Yeah, 10,000 PSI maximum. So it's made in South Africa. Where's this made? Made in South Africa right down there. That's weird. I don't think I've ever really seen anything made in South Africa. So again, down here, made in South Africa. And that's their number, that's their website. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna clean that up. I got this haul to clean up as well. All the tools. And yeah, working on the car. Alright, that's it for this Milwaukee M18 grease gun. I guess I could go over the part numbers, like 2646 or something weird. Yep, 2646-20. So there's all the specs. Basically, this is for 10,000 psi. Two-speed gearbox, preset gear, grease counter, red link intelligence, and it didn't come with a battery, so it's just a tool only. But anyway guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Keep being you. Be weird. Be whatever you want to be. Have a good day. Bye.